Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And you are where everything made here is made with love in every stitch. Okay? Now, this is a project share I did for Kara Brendan's group with the word Christmas. This was a challenge. So we did the word Christmas. And this is the letter M in Christmas for music. Now, I'm using paper from Paulette Slater, and this is just one of her printables that I used from her kit. Now, this is from her Poinsettia Challenge kit, and as y'all can see, I also made some little tags using the same kit here. This is her all her printables are used on this. All printables used here are from Paulette. So we have our belly band here. We have our bird. And this is mine. The line paper is mine. This is one journaling card. I made a bookmark. Here's another journaling card. And that all goes in here, which I took and made. This is a 3-pocket blah, 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 piece here that I made using all of Paulette's printables. And up here, these are all journaling tags, so you can journal on the back of them. I didn't put lined paper on it. I just left it blank for this purpose of maybe people don't want. I'm putting this one up upside down. Maybe some people don't want to have lined paper. Some people do. And as y'all can see, it's a trifold folio. And all this has held together with the belly band. Now, I made the belly band a little bit bigger because just think, when you start adding stuff in here, more decor, you can have the belly band to hold it together. So I want to thank you all for watching. I had to take a sip of my smoothie. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, please do hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload any type of content, whether I go live or whether I do premiere. So I will say this in closing. Please be blessed, be kind, be caring, be crafty, and please be with where everything is made with love in every stitch. I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.